Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the Forex analysis for 27th to 31st October 2025. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in XAU USD, that is in gold USD on Friday. So as we can see, 0.31% negative move, 4113.28 was the closing on Friday. So currently I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a bearish candle with a small body and a small to medium upper and lower wick. Currently stochastic RSI is around overbought area, which is indicating us a negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. In this one-day chart, I have already marked some important support and resistance zone. We don't need to mark or changes any support or resistance zone. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would like you to consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for such weekly analysis. I make such weekly analysis every week, and I am soon going to start with the crypto as well as a daily analysis for currencies and as well as crypto. So do consider subscribing to my channel, click on the bell icon and click on the all notification tab. So currently the levels are marked. Let's talk about the closing first. So here 4113 is the closing. Here the direct support is 4110 and direct resistance is 4143. After direct support, there is a support of 4081 and then 4040. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 4208 and then 4250. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and this will help you to take for this week currently. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I've also shared a discount coupon code which will help you to take get a up to 20% discount on the challenges that is available on the number one platform. Currently, if you're thinking that what is funded account or prop firm, I've already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in gold USD pair for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a slight positive move that is around in this range, that is 4143 to 4208. I'm expecting a closing in this range. If you're going for a short trade, then only go for a short trade once this low, that is 4007's low, gets breached and a one-day candle gets closed below this, then we can go for a good shorting opportunity. Currently, you can also go for the 4110 level breach, but this will only give you a 4081 level. So I would like you to consider this weekly low, which will help you to take a better shorting opportunity. Overall, the trend is positive, so I'm expecting a positive closing in this range for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section, and if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.